Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download and flash Windows 10 OS on a computer using a flashable USB drive. First of all, you need to have a USB drive which has 8GB or upper storage. Then go to your browser and search Windows 10 ISO download. Then press enter. Now go to Microsoft website. Then scroll down and download this tool now option, click on it. Then it will automatically download it. After that you need to open that one. You can see here it is I have already downloaded that tool. Then you need to open it. Then open a new tab and go to Power ISO site. You can see poweriso.com. Press enter and download this tool also. Select the bit version of your current computer, and I have 64-bit version, so I am download this version and install it to your PC. Okay guys, now click on accept. Okay guys, now click on create installation media USB flash drive DVD or ISO file option. Again click next. Then you need to select your bit version here, and also you need to choose your language. Here I am selecting 64-bit version because I have 64-bit PC. If you don't have idea about your PC bit version, open your my computer like this. Then go to this option, this PC. Now right click on it and go to properties. Then you can see your system type 64-bit or 32-bit here. Then again back to your media creation tool and select your bit version. Click on next. Then click on ISO file option. Again click on next. Now you need to choose a location for download your Windows ISO this image file. I already downloaded this file, so I am not going to download it again. If you need to download it, you need to click on save. I am not going to click save option. I am going to cancel it. Okay, then you need to open Power ISO application like this. Now we are going to make a flashable USB drive. So you need to click on tool option and go to create bootable USB drive option. Then click on OK and give administrator access to this application. Okay guys, then click here and select your Windows image file like this. Then press open. Now click here and select your USB drive. You need to have a 8GB or upper storage to do this operation. Then select it. Then press start. Then it will show you all data of that USB drive will be lost. So if you have any necessary files on your USB drive, before going to do this operation, you need to have a backup of that all files which included in that USB drive, because this will format your USB drive. So then click OK. Now you can see it's started. this tool will create a flashable USB drive for Windows 10. Now you can see it will take up to 10 minutes. This speed will depend on your PC. Here you can see our operation is completed. Then you can close it. Now open your computer. Here you can see our operation is succeed, and also you can see your USB device is converted to a flashable USB drive. Now you can use this USB drive to flash Windows 10 on any computer. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and join with me. Please turn on notification and stay safe.